Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a message me to reveal the photo on Instagram. So I'm just going to go to my profile here, and let's just go back, sorry. And I'm going to press this bit right here, like the plus sign, to create a story. So add to your story here. And I'm going to just select a picture, for instance this one. And I'm going to hit the sticker button here. Then I'm going to select the reveal one, so select it. And you can type in what's hidden. Maybe it's like a new skincare line or perfume or product. So I'm just going to type in perfume, new perfume. And then I'm going to hit the done button here. So this is not the preview. This is what it will look like once you posted it, if they have not messaged you. So then you're just going to add it to your story, and people have to message you to reveal the story that you posted. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!